first test drive. Hellcat.
Damn, yo, this motherfucker shit. I might have to take this off. But it's gonna beep if it's on.
Ready? That shit close up my face.
Oh, God, back up something.
Hold up, we gotta start over. Nigga, what the fuck? Yo, I hit my head. God damn. We gotta start over. We gotta start over. I'm like, yo, you say you gotta back up. I'm like, all right, you didn't say I'm about to swing it.
Oh, shit.
I should have seen you, man.
You good, yo?
Yeah, I'm all right, man. My head good, man. We good.
Motherfucking hell, Keezy. I didn't know the fucking traction was off on this joint. Make me want to drive my traction off and control this motherfucker. Track mode ain't no joke. This motherfucker. Think I should buy this?
Sound real good. ready to upgrade?
Yeah, I think that 5.7 need to go.
How you like it? I don't know, man. I'm ready to get this motherfucker.
Change your mind real quick.
Man, listen.
And hand, it feel real good, huh?
I'm ready to go back over the road anyway. Damn! Should I done my shit up like that when I get this? Should I done my shit out? That was my first time doing that.
Compared, I never drove a basic Charger, but compared to mine to this, yeah, yo, I see why motherfuckers like these cars, man. Pedal shifters on, I ain't even using them. 700 plus. Yeah, this is a real driver's car. This ain't for amateurs, man. Hello?
Hello, is this Marcus?
Who's calling?
Okay.
Jump on 95 with it. Damn. Yo, that whine, that's like the ultimate thing with these cars, that whine. But yeah, if I don't get this car, you want this car, is at Coons Autos. The information will be in the description of the video. 68,000 miles. I'm sorry, 6,800 miles. And this going for 63,000. All the information will be in the description.
Feels like you want to take this car home today.
Yeah, I feel like I want to take this car home today.
If they let me have this for a week, by the time I gave it back, they probably would need new tires. And they got Pirellis on here. They're not cheap tires.
I just hope I don't get pulled over. I can't do another speeding ticket. I'm just saying, yo. That would not be a good video.
How many speeding tickets you got so far?
One. It's about to be a year old. It's about to be a year old. I got 2 more years before I go away.
Sounds like you do a lot of speeding.
Catch the first exit and come back down. It's honestly is a pretty good car though, I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like compared to driving my own, yeah. But a lot of people getting rid of Hellcats because they selling them, trading them, whatever it be beat, and they getting a lot of money for them. I mean, honestly, we got shit damn near 2 to 3 more years before the E-Muscle come out. So these cars gonna still hold value once they start making these SRTs. So I get one, keep in mind.
That wine real good.
Yeah, I fucks with it.
Only thing this car missing, I'm gonna say it ain't. I know it don't got Apple CarPlay, and it's missing the sunroof. But with this being a white car, it needs a red interior. All together, it's definitely a dope ass car.
I hate being on single windy roads. People drive too slow, I can't get around them. And it took me for her to put this on Instagram yesterday, it took me the longest to try to find a dealership who got this. I think it went up on Hoffa Road, but that shit was too new. And them niggas want to give me them keys for that. Motherfucking good car, man. Y'all make sure you like that subscribe button, drop them comments, and follow my cousin on his game channel. Throw your stuff out there, brother.
It's the Cash 410. Go and check me out. Like, comment, subscribe. Do a lot of live streaming. But you can also go ahead and check those videos out after.
Do y'all think I can beat my man Ronald in that pickup truck?
Most definitely.
That's the real question. Can I beat him? Because he has this thought that big ass truck is unstoppable. Well, I want to know, can a Hellcat beat that what is it, F-250? Drop all your thoughts, comments, all that down below, because yeah, that's what I want to know. Can I beat him with this car?
You might have to set it up.
I might have to set this up.
I had to set it up. I don't think he's doing that right now.
Let's find out. Let's give him a good call. Probably won't answer the phone.
Probably won't.
Can't say I ain't calling you. He ain't answer. He must have smelled that ass with me through the phone.
He had to. You can feel it.
No, sir.
Nah.
Sir.
What happened?
What
was that?
What happened?
Doug, I ain't copping no juice. I'm just waking up right now.
Oh, you was taking a nap. Oh, all right.
Yeah, my son got they got a game up in Delaware, and I just got off. I seen you with the red key. I'm like, he's bluffing ass. He probably got his keys painted or some shit.
Nah. Test driving it out for real.
You might have copped that joint? If you cop it, I'm deleting you.
Hey, you gonna bitch up like that, yo?
Yes, sir.
Nah, what happened, yo?
I ain't fucking with no Hellcat.
So you only pressed down with a middle class, huh?
Yeah, absolutely.
But I thought the F-250 was what happened?
Yo, Big Stroke gonna take care of whoever.
Yeah, what? You just said not the Hellcat though.
But what I'm saying, fuck it, where you at? If I take it, I'll take it.
I'm all white Mars, yo.
God damn, dude.
Yeah.
You going, I'm trying to see what it look like. What you got it on? You gonna have it on the channel or whatever?
Oh yeah, hell, come on, bro. You know I gotta film it. You on camera now, bitch.
You on the channel.
Oh shit.
You on the channel.
All right, so next week, since I'm on that now, so next week, let them know I'm spanking your ass and your shit next week, whatever.
Oh yeah, we going to the track. Listen, yo, you not gonna beat me in the 5.7, yo. Come on, yo.
You got me fucked up.
You ready?
Don't worry about it. Watch how many subscribers you lose off of that. You're gonna lose the ratings and subscribers.
You sure about that?
She sound good.
Yeah, that wine serious.